Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a new Pinterest board. So this should work from wherever you are within Pinterest, but I'm currently on the Business Hub side of my Pinterest account. Let's go ahead and go up here to my profile, and then we're going to scroll down and then go to Saved. Now from here I'm going to scroll down again, and then over here on the right hand side we're going to click on this plus sign and then click Board. Now we can go ahead and enter in a name. Let's go ahead and say Rainy Day Toddler Activities, because this is kind of what my brand on this account is about. We can choose to create this board in secret, so only myself and then anyone I share this board with can collaborate and see it. I'm going to keep this as a public one, so I'm going to create it. All right, and technically there we have created a Pinterest board. What else we can do is we can edit the board here, where we can add in a description, change it to secret, add any collaborators, and then also delete the board if we see fit. Another way that you can do this is by going to your home feed, and then let's say, I don't know, we've got this pool noodle activities, and let's say I wanted to create a board that was all about pool noodles. Let me do that again to show you guys. I would go down here to this little down caret and then click the plus create board. And then we could go ahead and add pool noodles, pool noodle activities, or whatever it was. We could do the same settings as secret, add collaborators, and then create. So those are two different ways that you can create Pinterest boards. I hope they found this helpful. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe.